There will be a lot of people who forget what they have learned. Many people have different kinds of doubts about studying. Is it good to take a break while studying? Is it better to study without sleeping at night? Night or day? Which was the best time to study? There are a lot of doubts like this. When you watch this video, all these doubts will be cleared. Are you ready? Let's do it. Hello friends, it's me your brother and welcome back to another great episode. So today, I'm going to share with you 4 super techniques to score good marks and study smart. So let's see what are those techniques. Number 1. Avoid fluency illusion. I'll tell you a situation. Many of you may have this same situation. You choose a topic to study. Then you read it 3 to 4 times. Then you think, this is it? This is simple, right? Think that yes, I understood it and went to the next topic. But if you ask a question based on this topic, you won't get an answer. Oh shit! I had studied it and spent a lot of time thinking about it. But no matter how much you think, you won't get an answer. This is called fluency illusion. The reason for this is, when you see a topic that you are studying in front of you, a type of illusion is created in your brain that you understood it. But if you ask if you really remember what you studied, it will be a doubt. So try to read the topic twice and then close the book and try to remember it. Try to recall it 3 to 4 times. Then you will understand whether you really understood this topic or not. But it is a little difficult to recall it, that's why many students skip this. But we shouldn't skip it because we are smart. We are all smart people, right? So try to read the topic twice and then recall it 4 or 5 times. Number 2. Understand spacing effect. Let me give you an example. You may think that you have to walk 3 kilometers a day. It is a little difficult to walk 3 kilometers a day. You will get tired quickly, right? But instead of that, you should walk 1.5 kilometers in the morning and 1.5 kilometers in the evening. Then you will walk 3 kilometers a day, but you won't get tired quickly. You will be more healthy. Similarly, if you want to study for 4 hours a day, split it by 1 hour. This is called the spacing effect. If you want to study in this style, it is scientifically proven that you will remember more than 40–50% of what you normally remember. Because if you forget what you studied once and repeat it over and over again, those things will stick in your mind. So take a break while studying. If you take a break and come back, you may have forgotten some things you studied first. So if you recall those things and repeat them over and over again, those things will stick in your mind. Have you noticed, when you watch some movies, you will remember the starting scenes and the climax scenes. But you may have forgotten some scenes in between. That is because when we do something, we can concentrate on the beginning and the end. We use the same technique here as well. If you take a break while studying, you will be able to utilize that time as much as possible. Number 3. Test yourself and teach others. We study a lot of things, right? But we forget a lot of things we studied. To avoid forgetting things, you should be a master in every subject. There are 2 steps to becoming a master. Step number 1. Test yourself. After studying, you can conduct a test yourself. That is, after studying, you should close your book quickly. Or you can keep it somewhere else. Then you can ask yourself some questions. Then you can write your answer in a paper. You can conduct such a small test. Step number 2. Teach others. Teach others what you studied. If we want to teach others something, we should first learn that thing properly, right? So, try to teach your family members and classmates that what you studied. If you are able to explain that thing properly, good. That means you really understood what you studied. If you are not able to explain it properly, that means you didn't understand what you studied. So, go and study again. After studying so much, you will be able to become a master in every subject. Number 4. Sleep is indeed. An experiment was conducted with 2 groups of people. They gave the same topic to 2 groups of students with the same amount of time. After some time, they asked the first group of students to sleep for some time. They did sleep for some time. But they didn't allow the second group to sleep. So, after the first group slept, two groups conducted a small experiment with what they studied. The students who slept for some time got the highest score. To explain this scientifically, when we sleep, like REM sleep phase, we store important things and remove unwanted information. During the exam, many students will have doubts about how long they should sleep, whether it's better to study in the morning or at night. As I said earlier, REM sleep phase is the time when we store the things we studied. So, you must sleep at least 6 hours at night. If you ask whether it's better to study in the morning or at night, it depends mainly on your habits. If you feel that studying at night is more comfortable, of course you can study at night. But it's always better to study in the morning, because night is the time when we sleep. So friends, try to use these techniques to study smartly. So friends, I hope this video was useful to all of you. Please subscribe to the channel for such motivational self-development and educational videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.